So I'm Noel. I'm the founder of CEO of CUDO. CUDO is a telemedicine platform. We are also a healthcare platform in general kasi not only providing telemedicine platform for healthcare providers, but we also process yung mga EMRs and payments nila. But basically, just for hindsight, ano ba talaga si CUDO? Ano siya? Marketplace for healthcare services. So if you're a patient, you're looking for consultation with a doctor, you can go to our website or download our mobile app. Then may mga doctors na tayo doon na different specialties. And then ang kagandahan sa system namin is that meron kaming both public and private healthcare providers. So to sa mga public providers, most of them they're providing free services. And then doon sa mga private providers, yung mga may mga businesses and may mga hospitals, doon mo rin ma-avail yung mga services nila. So telemedicine is the very common services na ina-avail. But aside from that, meron din kayong mga other services na, well, not really ours, but doon sa mga providers namin, mga partners namin, they provide on-site consultations, may mga laboratory services, may mga diagnostic services, then may mga referral na rin in such a way na yung, imagine mo, if you're sick, and then naghanap ka ng someone to take care of your health, meron na ring way na yung mga partners namin, they provide a holistic care plan. So,
Hmm.
nandun na yung parang follow-up check-up mo via telemedicine or meron times na may consultation ka na pupunta ka na lang sa hospital para nandun na lahat nung gagawin sa'yo, yung appointment, yung consultation, yung
Hmm.
laboratory, and then the payment is very seamless kasi we process all kinds of e-wallet providers, pati credit cards.